Good morning, my dear friends, my dear students. Hope you all are enjoying the videos and taking maximum of it, okay, and learning from it. It's the time when we can't reach up to you, but we are trying to give our maximum efforts. Okay. So you also give your maximum efforts and try to make this online session, try to make this COVID-19 period a positive period for you all. Okay. So let's start today's session with our new lesson, that is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Fourth chapter it is. So before starting linear equation in two variable, let's have a overlook on 7th standard, 8th standard linear equation. We have learned linear equation in one variable in 7th and 8th standard. This time one upgraded thing is there, one word is there, that is 2. Up till now in 7th standard and 8th standard we have learned linear equation in one variable. So what is linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable, I am going to explain you whole this topic. Means what is this heading means for us. See here, first equation. You all know what is equation. Equation means an algebraic expression which have equal to sign or which is separated by equal to sign or which has LHS and RHS. These are called as equation. See here, equations are these. See, we have learned this type of ax square plus bx. This is an algebraic expression. Okay. If we add equal to sign to it, and here suppose anything is there, 0, 1, 2, or any variable is there, so this algebraic expression converts into equation. समझ में आया? ऐसा algebraic expression जो दो साइड में डिवाइड किया गया हो इससे इक्वल टू साइन से, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इक्वेशन. ठीक है, इक्वेशन का मतलब समझ में आ गया. अब विल मूव टुवर्ड्स लीनियर. व्हाट इज लीनियर? लीनियर मींस इक्वेशन हैविंग हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल 1. having highest power of variable 1 is called as linear equation. Equations are of many types. I have told you this is also a linear equation. Then this is also a linear equation. Then this is also a linear equation. These all are linear equation, right? No, these all are equation. Now I will tell you which is linear and which is not and why. I will explain you what is linear equation. The equation which has highest power 1 of variable is called as linear equation. See here. Here variable is x. Highest power of the variable is 2. Here power is 1, but here highest power is 2. So it is not linear equation. It is equation, but it is not linear equation. This one, here only one variable is there here, and what is the power of that variable? Power of this variable is 1, and that is only the highest power. So here highest power of this variable is 1. That's why we will call it as linear equation. This is called linear equation. What about this one now? 2x cube plus 3 equals to 1. it is equation, but as its degree is 3, highest power means degree, as its degree is 3, so it will not be called as a linear equation. Understand? Linear equation means equation आपको समझ गया, which is separated by equal to sign, and linear means which has highest power 1. Okay, so this is only the equation which has highest power 1. Now we have to study linear equation in two variable. Okay, so I have told you that first of all we will see what is linear equation in one variable, or how we have solved it last year. So this was the linear equation in one variable. Ax plus b is equals to 0, or ax plus b is equals to something. Okay, ax plus b equals to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. Standard form of a linear equation in one variable. I am talking about one variable. Here there is only one variable and its power, highest power is 1. Okay, so it is called as linear equation in one variable. Okay, next we have this as a standard form. Here a should not be equals to 0, a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, and where a and b are real numbers. A and b are real numbers. A और b कोई भी कांस्टेंट चलते हैं अपने को, और a 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. a 0 बन गया तो ये पूरी टर्म 0 बन जाएगी, और टर्म 0 बन गई मतलब ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल रहेगा नहीं. ठीक है. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. Why it is called in one variable? Because it has only one variable. Now linear equation in two variable means we will have two variables. So linear equation in two variable is suppose x plus y is equals to 3. X plus y equals to anything. 2x plus 3y is equals to something. These are called as linear equation in two variables. Okay, so and we can write it at ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is linear equation in two variable. These two, whatever I have written, these are called as the standard form of linear equation in two variable. I will write it here. Standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where we can write a, b, c are any real numbers, and here a and both b should not be equals to 0. A comma b should not be equals to 0. दोनों भी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. दोनों में से एक भी 0 होता है तो it will not be a linear equation in two variable. I will give an example for it. Suppose 0x plus 3y is equals to 4. 0x means nothing, so we can write 3y equals to 4. Right? So it becomes linear equation in one variable. So at this time both should not be equals to 0. Not a single coefficient of x or लीनियर इक्वेशन। ओके, समझ में आया ये सब सभी को? तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल इज ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, where a, b, c are any real numbers and a and b both should not be equals to 0, means either of them should not be also equals to 0. If one also becomes 0, then whole equation will not be called as a linear equation in two variable. Understand? Understanding or not? Okay, this is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now seeing some example of this. Some examples you will see that will there will be a linear equation in two variables or not. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Is it linear equation in one two variable? So check, two variables are there और दोनों का highest power 1 है, so it is linear equation in two variable. Root of 2x is equals to root of 3y. They are not in standard form, but they have two variable and both the variable have highest power 1. कंडीशन satisfy कर रहा है, आपने को बाकी चीज कोई भी देखनी नहीं है. This is a linear equation in two variable. Root of 2x plus root of 3y is equals to 1. Is it a linear equation in two variable? There are two variables. See here, these two are two variables, but as if we write it here, root of 2 x का पावर क्या है 1/2. Here root of 3x का y का पावर क्या है यहाँ पे 1/2. Therefore this will not be called as a linear equation in two variable. Why? As their highest power is less than 1. Understand? So it should satisfy each and every condition. Okay, the number can be any number, real numbers we have to. So these are real numbers. Actually here the power was not equals to 1. We want exact power equals to 1. Now this was all about the standard form or linear equation in two variable. Now we will see about the solution of equation. In 7th and 8th standard we have learned about the solution of an equation or linear equation in one variable. First of all, I would like to tell you or explain you what is solution of the equation. Solution of equation means a value of variable, any value of variable which satisfy the equation. Satisfy मतलब क्या? Satisfy मतलब ऐसी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू जो LHS और RHS को इक्वल लाती, बैलेंस करती, उसको अपन सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, a value of variable which satisfies or brings LHS equals to RHS is called solution of the equation. एक इजी एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं. x plus 4 equals to 9. What is solution? ऐसी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू जो इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर दे, जो LHS और RHS सेम ला दे, बैलेंस कर दे. तो कौन सी ऐसी x की वैल्यू पुट करूं जो इक्वेशन को इक्वल ला दे? मींस 4 plus what is equals to 9. So if we put x is equals to 5, so 5 plus 4 will be equals to 9. Correct? So x equals to 5 is called as solution of the given equation. Is there any another value that will satisfy this equation? कोई भी आप आपके मन से एक वैल्यू लो जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए। तो ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है 5 को छोड़ के कि जो इस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी। So here we can say that linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Right? Now talking about the linear equation in two variables, x plus y is equals to, suppose 11 is there. Okay, now find out its solution. Solution मतलब x और y के ऐसे वैल्यू बताओ जो जिसकी एडिशन क्या है 11। एडिशन मतलब जो ये इक्वेशन को क्या करे, सेटिस्फाई करे। सेटिस्फाई करे मतलब जो LHS और RHS सेम लाए। मेनी आर रेसिंग 1 10 1 plus 10 11 x equals to 1 y equals to 10 10 1 x equals to 10 y equals to 1 10 plus 1 11 6 5 then minus 12 sorry minus 1 comma 12 minus 1 plus 12 minus plus minus 12 में से बन गया 11 then 100 minus what will come? You want 11 89. Okay, so like this many values are there, many x and y values are there which will satisfy the given equation. So we can say that equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. बहुत सारे solutions है, बहुत मतलब if numbers are infinite then its solution will also be infinite because कुछ भी इसको satisfy कर सकता है, बरोबर है। Any value of x and y will satisfy the equation and that values are called as solution of the equation. So linear equation in one variable has only one solution. यहाँ लिखेंगे only one solution and linear equation in two variables has infinite solution. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि जब भी linear equation in one variable आता है तो it has only one solution and whenever linear equation in two variable comes it has infinite solution. Understand? So keep all these things in mind. The standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0 where a, b and c are any real numbers and a and b should not be equals to 0. Okay, then we saw about the solution of the equation. What is solution of the equation? The value of the variable will satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation means what? Which brings LHS equals to RHS. Okay, so this was